I would like first to thank our authorities, Secretary of State Carmen Vela, Vice President of the SIC, and Vicerrector de la Universidad. Carlos Dotti will make the introduction to our speaker of today. And as you know, this lecture is celebrated in commemoration of the figure of Professor Severo Ochoa, who was a leading scientist in the transition from biochemistry to molecular biology, and who played a fundamental part in the foundation of our institute.
Let me express my special gratitude to Professor Tony Wyss-Coray. I'm sure that his lesson, Young Blood for All Brains, will be interesting and rewarding to all of us.
We really know how hard has been this time. I know that you has been suffered quite a lot. We too, and this is not just a kind of compensation, but I hope in 2014 the things are slowly going to improve. Not because us, just because you. And I think that now, 2 years later, and this extra time that we have, that we really don't know how it will be finalized. Because in December I say goodbye to many people, and now I say hello again.
The highlight should be on you, Tony, and thank you very much for having accepted our invitation. As I said, this is great for us.
Many people, many famous people, Alexander the Great, for example, or Ponce de Leon, they spent much of their life trying to find this fountain of youth. Ponce de Leon sailed around the Caribbean and tried to find this fountain of youth. And in St. Augustine in Florida, there is actually a fountain of youth where you have to pay entrance and you can drink the water, but it doesn't do anything to you. The old mouse and its brain in particular are malleable and can be regenerated or rejuvenated. So what that means is aging is not something that is just on a trajectory and cannot be influenced. But this suggests, as well as other studies that people are doing now increasingly, that age is a plastic process and you can modify it. And we of course know that aging, longevity in humans is probably only about 30% genetic. The rest is environment. And so some of the factors in the environment can affect how old an organism gets, but also how healthy it stays until the organism dies.